one of the real challenges, it seems to me today, is we're in a big shift, and you have an entire generation, a large baby boom or young baby boom, generation of engineers that have worked at companies for 25 or 30 years, and then suddenly, as the economics change, they find themselves without a job and needing to suddenly start a consultancy, and they're unprepared to do it. And they're at an age when they're kind of lost in a way. And then companies look at them and they say, well, you're over 50, you're over 55, you're over 60, whatever. That's a little old for us.
Yeah, that you get a lot of that. And I'm not sure, how you deal with that. You have to just think about what your strengths are and what you do that somebody else is going to have a hard time finding someone to do that, and market yourself for that. And there are some people who probably aren't marketable at that point. The guys that focus on a certain technology and it's older. For example, I try and make sure that I'm up to date on the stuff that I do. When one of the things that I do is work on digital signal processing and data acquisition and all that stuff, and that moves very fast and it's hard to keep up with, but that's what you need to do, keep up with the technology progressing in at least one area so that you have something to market.
What would you say is the average engineer's biggest challenge today?
Oh boy. I'd like to say keeping up with the progressing technology. I think that's it's a little trite,
right?
But it's more of your personal mindset that you want to keep learning, that you want to keep your knowledge base up to date. I think that's an important challenge, because it's very easy to say, well, I know how to do all this stuff. Yeah, but nobody needs you to do that anymore. You need to know to do something a little different. So motivating yourself to keep up with some aspect of engineering.